Hello, welcome to our channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you are good. Are you seeing this channel for the first time? Hi, welcome. My name is Kamsi and my daughter's name is also Kamsi. We are Kamsi Square. In our channel, mother and daughter cook together in the kitchen, and our goal is to inspire people to get into the kitchen and discover just how fun and easy cooking can be no matter the age. Hey guys, if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, comment, like and share, and we make our videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, in today's video I want to share with you my local soup. Yeah, I want to show you how to cook local soup called Achara soup. Yeah guys, if you're from the eastern part of Nigeria, Imo State to be precise, or you're from Umuahia, gather here, let's cook our local soup, Achara soup. So the ingredients for this wonderful soup are here. I'm using periwinkle, as you can see. This is the Achara. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to use okazi leaf. This is crayfish. Of course, salt to taste, red oil. This is red oil. I'm also using Snail. Yeah, using yellow. I'm also using yellow pepper and seasoning cubes. And this is a thickner, Achi. So you can use any thickener of your choice. I'm also using goat meat. This is smoked fish and assorted dry fish. This stockfish and normal dry fish. So guys, let's get started. It's very easy, very simple. Okay. So guys, we are going to start by cooking the meat. First put the meat on the heat, add onion, salt to taste, and seasoning. Add water and put on heat. Allow it to boil a bit before adding the stockfish. Now after some minutes, you add the stockfish. Yeah, because the goat meat is strong, that was why I put it first before the stockfish. Yeah, it's time to put the pepper, the yellow pepper, snail. I'm putting the snail now. Now the oil, put the oil, the red oil. The crayfish. Allow it to boil for a few minutes before you put the thickener, the Achi. Let's dry fish. Now it's time to put the thickener, the Achi. Because you use water to press it, you can see. That's it. Yeah, at this point, I have to put the periwinkle. So the thickener has thickened the soup. So it's time to put the periwinkle. And the achara. There. This is achara soup. Okay. Our local achara. This achara is just like a vegetable, okay? So put the seasoning. Please be mindful when you are adding the sauce. It's too thick, you can put water. I have to add the smoked fish. Allow it for some minutes before adding the okazi leaf. Okay. So now it's time to put the okazi leaf. Yeah, allow it to simmer for 5 minutes and you are done with the local soup. I take that, Hey my people, 5 minutes, you are done. So, my happy people, gather here. Although my good people gather here, let's do justice to this. Our local soup, okay? Our local achara soup. The achara soup is ready. As you can see, very easy to prepare, right? And I know you love this video. If you really do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching.